Did you know ants can lift 50 times their body weight? Yeah, these tiny powerhouses are nature's weightlifters. Step 1. Ants work together in colonies, like a well-oiled machine. They communicate using pheromones to coordinate their efforts. Step 2. Ants are master architects, building complex underground homes. They even farm fungi and herd aphids for food. Final step, ants play a crucial role in the ecosystem, aerating soil and recycling nutrients. Boom! Nature's unsung heroes, working tirelessly. Y'all see this? Ants are fascinating creatures worth learning about. Or keep ignoring them. Your choice.